Hello guys, hope you are enjoying good health. I have separated the vocab for your benefit. You can appear in any competitive exam and you will find this vocab words there, and you can tackle that exam by memorizing these words. These words were obvious in this Dawn editorial, today's Dawn editorial, and you can go through Dawn editorials very easily after going through these vocab words. I have highlighted some quotations in yellow marking. You can put these quotations in your essay. This will definitely make your essay more prominent and more appealing for the examiner. First editorial was Confronting Islamophobia. It was mentioned that either the world is globalizing, like there is shrinkage of species, but still there is hateful ideologies persist for the Muslims all around the globe. It is not specific to Pakistan, it is not specific to Myanmar, it is not specific to any country. As Shah Mahmood mentioned in United Nations Economic Council without pronouncing the name of India. So Islamophobia is very important topic as given by many examiners for critical evaluation and discussion. So you should definitely go through this editorial. It is very interesting to know about the Islamophobic perceptions of the words. Even Samuel Huntington also was Islamophobic in his books. Moreover, Pakistan is also planning to introduce electric vehicles. These vehicles will brighten the future of Pakistan. There is approval given for the first electric vehicle policy towards the end of last year, but there is also a debate. Either it will eliminate the pollution caused by the fuel consumption, and either the Pakistan is ready for implementation of electric vehicles. This debate is going on. There are different school of thoughts. Like Japan says, there should be electric vehicles and also the manual vehicles, so that Pakistan should carry on both these schools of thoughts. Finally, there is a hot debate going on poll-storm in Dhaka region NA 75. There was absentees. Election commissioner also withhold the result for this purpose because there was the evidence of rigging, and the investigation is going on. It is very alarming situation for the democracy, and election commission should investigate properly so that the culprits should come in front of the nation. Although both parties are blaming each other, but soon the truth will be revealed. Thank you so much for your attention and your time. Don't forget to go through these vocab words. You can also download these vocab words from the link given below.